I was told 4 years ago. Well, why don't you go and form your own community? And this is it.
What is it for I wait? Things can't be left behind unless they are provided. It is time to start again. Thank you. Thank you. I'm just going to change guitars over if that's alright.
I like to live in this make-believe world where we all hug each other, pretend there's not a virus, say that the life-saving cure for this killer virus is a dangerous bioweapon. You know, we just live in fantasy and all hug each other and love each other. I actually prefer that world. I'm stuck there now.
Yeah.
I don't want to go back to you.
Clown world, baby, everything we used to think was sane is crazy. Chicks hung like horses, morons govern. A geriatric man can have a bun in the oven. They're trying to kill us with their fake diseases. Heart attacks are normal, but you die from sneezes. Monkeypox, what a fart. Monkeypox, my arse.
He does some really funny songs, just solo with his guitar.
There's more on Dr. Shill and more besides. So euthanize yourselves for once, bedazzle yourselves, you cunts. Then chemtrail all your ashes through the skies. Off you pop.
Get in touch with your inner self for that, and then extreme activities. But it was all very low key, really.
Select to drop the needle, pull it back and rewind. Take it back to those old school vibes. Most high, open up your third eye. We're flying high, amethyst, damn it by. Most divine, sound sublime, soul the line. We're gonna blow your mind with the most high, open up your third eye. We're flying high, amethyst, damn it by. Most divine, sound sublime, soul the line. We're gonna blow your mind with the rhyme.
What did you go for then?
So I might do some mushrooms, come and say.
I think that's it.
So I did the lot and went back on.
Get up, stand up for your rights. Get up, stand up. Don't believe the hype. Stand up, stand up. Stand up for your rights. Get up, stand up. But don't believe the hype. Whoa, whoa, don't believe the hype. Whoa, don't believe the hype. Get up, stand up. Stand up for your rights. Get up, stand up. Don't give up.
Well, yeah, I know you're going to say that, but you don't believe you'd rather go up to a doctor who fucking looks on Google. Whereas these witches that I see, they're like that. Jog that on and eat some plants, get some sunshine, do a bit of meditation, and live a natural life.
What's on your TV? What's on your TV? What's on your TV? What's on your TV? TV? What's on your TV? What's on your TV? What's on your TV? TV?
I take dance classes.
Eh?
I take the dance class. What's wrong, Diane? Looks on Google.
I don't
Hang on, we don't. I tell you, let's send you for blood tests. Let's send you for an X-ray. Let's fucking keep going. I've got no idea what's wrong with you.
Sudden adult death syndrome. I spent 20 years on the ambulances and never saw it once. And now it seems to be in the news every day. And they put adverts on the telly of girls collapsing, pushing the idea that heart conditions can happen to anyone. Well, yeah, obviously they can, but not at the rate it's happening now. And if you talk about it on social media, they shut you down. But they can't shut us up. We'll talk about it every day. We'll even put it in a song. It's not just a heart attack.
Jay, I felt I got really quite emotional throughout the whole weekend.
Why?
Jake was particularly spiteful being the bully this weekend.
Jake?
Yeah, the lead singer.
Best sexy trumpet.
Surrounded by all these people, although Victoria's are quite spiteful, and seeing what they're doing.
And what are they doing?
Oh, well, that part.
Feeling full of fear, but none of them is right here, right now, out loud. So why do you pay it any attention?
Look how aggressive that is.
We know.
If you have enough of this, we will go up in the air.
Well, that's a big festival. Well, I thought we were going for a music festival, but it was more like a retreat. Well,
Modern art.
I don't want to be.
Self-indulgent.
I don't want to be preachy or anything.
To the microphone. To the microphone. Hold to the vaccine. Hold to the vaccine. To the microphone.
Ramesh turned up. He was the star of Saturday night. He got other people up on the stage to do different stuff. It wasn't give back half the love that they've shown to me and the encouragement. It's a bit weird though.
What was you saying about my microphone?
Can we get some more mic in the monitors, please, sound guy? Thank you.
To the microphone.
Turn up my mic! I took your advice. What's it sound like now?
Hello.
Well, he might be pregnant one day. You've got to learn these
Oh,
things.
don't be silly.
It was a right wing silent retreat.
We don't really
Silent retreat. So just had a calm right down a bit. Lovely country house. Determined to find it, because no one knew anything about it.
You always find churches you were like that.
Sorry?
You always find churches you were like that when we were in, where were we? Portugal. Where we were. You went up and found this big church, self-induced.
Really? Well, yeah, I know you're going to say that, but you don't believe you'd rather go up to a doctor who fucking looks on Google. What's wrong, Diane? Who looks on Google?
I don't
Hang on, we don't. I tell you what, let's send you for blood tests. Let's send you for an X-ray. Let's fucking keep going. I've got no idea what's wrong with you, but I'll fucking find something. Oh, there's nothing wrong with you. Don't worry about that, Diane. We'll find something. I'm gonna look fires at night. Went foraging in the daytime for wild garlic. Just extreme stuff, like just right wing extreme stuff. Really. Stuff that's obviously a threat to society.
No romance there.
Sorry? No romance?
Yeah.
What, for me?
Yeah.
No, I live in Knockback City, you know. Either that, or it's the fact that my teeth are black, falling out, I've got a big nose, no hair, skinny, and I live with my mum. I don't think that helps. Lovely, thank you. You got a good one, mate. You took a good one, mate.
What then? Put cheese on it.
I'll have the cheese, but if you want to cook it in, you
Yeah, I don't want to put it in. Serve you right.
Or I'm not sure now.
Oh, get on with it.
She said, you've got to have a go at that. I was like, Johnny, you've got to have a go at it. It's fantastic. You can't really argue with her, really. She says, well, she grabs on, that's it, you've got to do what you're told. Really activates it. But that's your default mode, doctor. Like that. Fuck that. Well, there you go. See, they work.
Don't take the vaccine. Don't take the vaccine. Don't take the vaccine. I said don't take the vaccine. And if you did take it, then make sure you don't take
Engineer, do me a favor, please. One of the other mic ain't working,
Now you're rolling a
Yeah, put on
fever
here myself.
and you're chilled to your bones. I tried to warn you, They tell you it's over, but it doesn't feel quite right. Are they still faking? They're faking, they're faking. Yeah, you call me a liar. Oh yeah, call me a COVID denier. Oh yeah, you call me a liar. Fuck you. Oh yeah, call me a COVID denier. Everybody. Oh yeah, you call me a liar. Oh yeah.
Thank you.
You know, when I go to these places, I've got all my cameras, with pride and joy, all this, and all my recording equipment, the computer, everything with me. And I walk away and I say, no, it's safe here.
You say what?
It's safe here. No one's going to nick it. It's just not like that at all. People just bend over backwards to help you. Literally. Although Victoria's are quite spiteful.